Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my class. This is Sara Wasif from Moonlight International Publishers. I hope you all are fine and enjoying our digital lectures. Grade 5 students, kindly open your English textbook developed by Moonlight Publishers. Unit number 6. Rain in summer. This time we'll be talking about language focused competency. Fortunately, we have already completed our vocabulary building part in our reading competency. Now it's time to move towards next question, and that is similes. Do you know what is simile? A simile is actually a figure of speech that is used to show the similarities between two different things by using clue words like as and like. So you can see as and like are the words which are used to compare two different things. The bear is as white as snow. Bear and snow are totally different things. We are comparing them to show the whiteness of the bear. As greedy as a fox, as blind as a bat, as easy as ABC, as slow as a snail, as hot as a fire. I hope students that you have understood about the similes very well. Now it's time to move towards our next category, and that is learning to spell. This time we are having jumbled letters. By rearranging these letters, we can get a word. Let's start. And from these group of letters, we get a word, and that is muddy. Look at the second one. Focus on this word, shuffle it out and find out a word out of these letters. So it is swift. Now it's time to focus on the next word. Use your mind, and this is clutters. Next word, throat. Look at the last word. Focus on the word. Use your mind. Shuffle them out, and then we get a word that is rain. Well done, students. Now it's time to move towards our second category of the competency language focus, and that is grammar. This time in grammar, we are going to talk about adjectives. What are adjectives? Do you have any idea? And yes, students, adjective is actually a describing word. It describes noun. It qualifies or it tells about the noun. Adjectives tell everything related to a noun. The word that describes the quantity or sum of something, that is called quantitative adjectives. Like, I have 2 pens. Over here, 2 is telling the quantity of pen. So 2 is the adjective. She reads in 5th class. You can see that class is the noun. And 5th is telling the grading and the number as well. So 5th is the adjective. The word that tells the origin of something is called adjective of origin. Like, it is an Italian car. Car is a noun. Italian is telling the origin of the thing. So the word Italian is adjective of origin. The word that describes the color of the noun is called adjective of color. Like, the tree has green leaves. So green is telling about the nouns, leaves. Green is the adjective of color. The noun which tells the size of the noun, that is called adjective of size. That is called adjective of size. Like, here comes a big ship. So big is the word which is describing the size of the ship. It means big is the adjective of size. I hope, students, that you have understood the types of adjectives very well. Now you have been given a paragraph on page number 66. It's written without adjectives. Now it's your time to reread the paragraph and add the adjectives where you can add. Let's start doing this. So I and we are considered first person. I is the singular personal pronoun. I is the singular person and we is the plural person. On the other hand, as I am talking to you, so for me, you are the second person because I am having interaction with you. So you can be a singular and you can also be a plural. On the other hand, about whom we are talking, like he, she, it or they are third person. They are not present over here. So that's why we are talking about them. He, she, it is the singular person. On the other hand, they is the plural personal pronoun. With I, we will use for the present tense am. For the past, was. For perfect tense, we'll use have been. And for the past had been. Second person singular, you. Are, were, have been and had. Third person singular, he, she, it. Is, was, has been and had been. Now it's time to move towards our plural personal pronouns. First person plural, we. Are, were, have been, had been. Second person plural, were, are, were, have been and had been. The last one is third personal pronoun plural, and that is they. Are, were, have been and had been. Now it's time to say Allah Hafiz to all of you. I hope that our today's lecture is very informative for all of you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.